Right now, today is Sunday for creamy. Can't nobody come in because not even ice cream no creamy, so. Oh God. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Good morning viewers and family. Welcome to Morris Time Cooking and our next video. So we are gonna do HOMINY porridge today. So let us get right into it.
Alright, now YouTube lady.
First I'm gonna catch the water.
Look like about 5 cups of water.
I'm washing my cinnamon leaf. Yes, I'm gonna put in the cinnamon. If you don't have to use more than one because cinnamon is strong and we're gonna put cinnamon powder. So here I put in the leaf. I'm gonna put some salt because when the corn cook, you don't want the corn to taste fresh, you want the corn to taste of salt and sugar.
So 1 cinnamon leaf and 1 teaspoon of salt. 1
big spoon of sugar. Mr. Morris do not like sweet.
So that's about ½ cup of sugar.
Yes.
Or using the brown sugar.
We're gonna rinse the corn.
We're using HOMINY corn and we're using an entire package which is 400 grams.
Yes, so we're gonna rinse out the corn in it. We gotta add it to the pressure cooker. Now you have to use a pressure cooker because it is corn and it's hard to cook. Okay, so we're gonna cover the pot now and allow it to take its time and pressure.
So you're gonna pressure that for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, about 20 as soon as the corn cook. You can soak the corn overnight and put a little salt in there, but I never soaked it last night, so it depends on when it cook. It can take 15 minutes up to 30 minutes to cook.
Okay, so after which time we'll be back.
So we're gonna turn off our flame and test it and see how far it's reached. We can put in the milk and all these things.
Okay, so we'll just cool down the pressure cooker, open it up and show you what those corns look like. They should be nice and soft. Beautiful. Wow. Nice and rich.
Yes, I'm gonna remove the cinnamon leaf. Because we don't want it.
Don't get the flavor already.
Right. So I'm gonna test it now. If it don't cook properly, I have to put it on back. Wow, I have to put it on back. Yeah, so we're gonna put in our coconut milk and look at the corn. So we'll get one more pressure in because we don't want this hard corn.
Man, this looks creamy.
You don't put flour in this.
So we're gonna add 2 cups of coconut milk. And we use the fresh coconut. We just blend that right out. Yes. Alright. And once this, we're gonna cook that again. So we've been pressuring this for about over half an hour now because, as Mommy said before, we didn't soak the grains overnight in water to soften the pods. So when you're pressuring it, it's gonna take a little longer. So we're just gonna pressure this a second time around for about 20 more minutes. So in total, about an hour worth of pressure because these corns are typically hard.
Yes, so I put a little bit more boiling water.
Yes, so in total now we started off with 5 cups of water and Mommy just added in 2.5 cups of coconut milk. So in total we have 7.5 cups of water so far.
Finish cook.
so 20 more minutes in the pressure cooker and we should be golden.
Okay, we are going to remove the pot from the stove.
Alright, so we've been
cool it down a little bit.
So this has been cooking for an hour now because these corns are very tough, but once we open that, we're just going to show you what that looks like with the coconut fully infused, and I'm telling you,
wow,
this is smelling good, looking nice and thick.
Yes. So I'm gonna light back the stove. So I'm gonna let you people look at it now.
Holy.
Yes.
Nice and creamy. Smell good, you know? And I put the spices them in it. Only the cinnamon leaf that was added in the beginning. Wow. Creamy with that coconut fully infused.
Right.
Dominican porridge. Yeah, growing up we used to have this like once every few months. That's all we needed. Because it's so good you don't want to have it too much, if that makes sense. You know what I say?
We're gonna go in with our vanilla now. Just use the discretion. Can't put too much vanilla in. You will kill the taste.
A teaspoon of that vanilla in.
And we're gonna put in our cinnamon powder.
Okay, so about a half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Nice, nice. So freshly grated nutmeg. I'm going to use a quarter teaspoon there about.
So we're gonna put our nutmeg in there now.
Man. Freshly grated quarter teaspoon.
So we're gonna allow this to cook down by 5 minutes more before adding milk.
Wow.
Yes, people, so we're gonna turn it off now.
Holy.
We're gonna turn it off now. So you see you don't have to put any flour in there.
Looks nice and thick.
There.
Wow.
No flour. Turn it off now. So I'm gonna sweeten it with some condensed milk.
Listen, if only you could smell the kitchen right now, the aroma from the coconut. Oh my. Hey, the people them say them love how you cook because you're real authentic, even the way how you open your can. You know, use nothing you can opener. I encourage the young people out there to use them can opener because if you don't know the skills, make sure you do. Alright, I'm going to sweeten that with some condensed milk. And you turn off the stove and then sweeten. Let's go. Holy. I'm going to estimate of what's going on. So about a half cup of milk, because this is a big pot of porridge. Or at this point you can sweeten to taste to your liking. But I'm telling you, creamy. Right now this
porridge now, you don't have cow's milk nor anything, just the condensed milk because it's honey. So you need to taste the real.
Okay. See then man. Right now today is Sunday cream, you can't bother coming because not even ice cream no creamy so. Yeah. Creamy can stay. Yes, my mother bring back some memories, you know.
Oh, remember that you have to cook the corn with the sugar and a little bit of salt.
So you
when you eat the grain,
initial stages. Initial, what may I say?
You can taste it, the grain sweetish instead of fresh corn.
So you season that from the initial stages so the corn grains are nicely flavored.
Wow.
Creamy. We got a nice bowl of my mother.
Yeah, you can journey along with us and enjoy the porridge. Make it for yourself, but remember to soak it overnight. Alright.
Like, comment, subscribe,
comment, share, and go and big up on yourself.
To all my existing and new subscribers, I just want to give you a heads up that I do have a family channel called Morris Time Family. So if that's something you're interested in, head on over there, hit subscribe and see that video when I surprise my mom.